Hey guys, this is how an alternative way of connecting your Chromecast to your internet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go on your laptop and make sure it's connected to the ASK4 or your service providers. So for me, I just go to ASK4, my account, log in. And if you're not connected, it will have something at the top right. If you are connected, you just want to go to manage my devices and either add it manually or it should be here. If you have the option to do for network, make sure you turn that on. So as you can see, I'm connected right here and we can carry on with the process now. So the second thing you're going to want to do is go to your settings, go to network and internet, and go to mobile hotspot. Once you've gone there, you just want to turn this on and obviously select your own Wi-Fi. So make sure you put share my internet connection from whichever provider you are from. And then you want to put your network name, whatever you want to name it, with your own password. So once you've done that now, we can now go to the phone and do the setup. So now that we're on the phone, you just want to go to settings, ASK4 wireless, go to Wi-Fi and click the Chromecast. Once you've connected to the Chromecast, you just want to go to the Google Home app. And it will ask you to choose a home. So then once it says connected to Chromecast, you'll see your screen will change the code. And once that is, you want to make sure the same code is on your phone. So select your region. So for me, it would be the United Kingdom. Put where is it located. And as you can see, it will say connect to Wi-Fi. So when you put connect to Wi-Fi, as you remembered, we had our laptop name. So for me, it's Kratos laptop. And you went into the password. And press connect. So as you can see, it says connected. So once you've done that, all you want to do is connect to your laptop on your phone. And go back to the setup. So once that's done, you just want to press continue. No thanks. Next. And as you can see, you can start streaming to your Chromecast. Press there, Chromecast. And as you'll hear from the audio.
Yeah, I remember.
I was scared. Terrified.
And everything will work just like as you do on Wi-Fi.
You made me feel safe. You made me feel like I could trust everything that you said.
And you lied to me.
An alternative way of connecting your Chromecast to your Wi-Fi at your university or service provider. Just some notes to end the video. Your laptop needs to be on for the Chromecast to work as your Chromecast connects to your laptop. Every time you leave your laptop or disconnect from the Wi-Fi, the Chromecast will no longer work. This method works with anything that gives a mobile hotspot, including your phone and devices. So if you'd like to buy a little device or use your phone to use as a hotspot, that will also work. But obviously with your phone, the phone will die much quicker if you're on a hotspot, and with the device, you may have a limited amount of data you can use. But with the laptop, you can use your provider that you're already connected to and you're paying for, and just use it as like a little personal hotspot. And you need to connect your phone and any other devices to the laptop to make sure it's all simultaneously connected. And lastly, I do not suggest connecting any consoles or anything to your laptop if you want to try use it that way, because when you go to a game, your experience and your connectivity might be a bit slower, because obviously it doesn't come right from the service provider, it goes from the service provider to your laptop to your Xbox. If you need any help with this video, any advice, or you want some personal one-on-one help, so kind of how to set it up or any other devices, just send us, open the website link in the description and send us an email or message on any social medias, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as you can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay plugged in.